Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, you are looking for the answer to question 26.14. The question states that there are two small plastic spheres, each having a mass of 2 grams and a charge of minus 50 nanocoulombs. They are placed 2 centimeters apart, center to center, as you can see by this picture. Now for part A, it asks, what is the magnitude of the electric force on each sphere? So whenever you're dealing with the magnitude of electric force, you're going to have to use Coulomb's law given here. So this is all the given information that we have. Now basically all you have to do is plug and chug. So K in this case is equal to 9 times 10 to the 9th. Then you're going to multiply it by the absolute value of each Q. In this case being minus 50 times 10 to the minus 9th coulombs, because in here it's nano, so you gotta convert that. Then you have the same number here, and then you divide it by the square of the distance between them. In this case it's in centimeters, so you gotta convert that to meters. So you divide by 100, and that becomes 0.02 squared. And then from here, grab your calculator, and the answer ends up being 0.056 newtons. So that's how you get the answer to part A. Part B asks, by what factor is the electric force on a sphere larger than its weight? So basically it's asking for a proportion or a ratio between this force here and the weight of each ball. And because because they're, by the same distance, they each have the same mass and the same charge, we don't have to bother with finding the answer to, one sphere versus the other because they're the same. So for part B, we know that W, or the weight, is equal to mg. So in this case, that's going to be well, each weighs 2 grams, so that's 0.002 kilograms, standard units right there, times gravity, just 9.8. And you plug those two numbers in, you get an answer of 0.02. Now I had to round off a little there because you got to stick with the 2 decimal points here, or the 2 significant figures, that is. So that's your weight, and the question asks for the factor between the two, like the ratio. So it asks, by what factor is the electric force on a sphere larger than its weight? So to find the correct proportion, you're going to use this electric force here and put it over there. So it's 0.056 divided by 0.02, both of them are in newtons. Should have put that earlier. And your answer here is going to be 2.8. There's no units on there because, these 2 units right here cancel out. It's simply a proportion. And that is your final answer for B. So your 2 answers are 0.056 newtons and 2.8. And that is all. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.